Customer called me late last night. Existing customer. He says he has no heat. I've been talking to him for years to replace this furnace. He's got an older Goodman, and he's got I'm gonna probably say there's probably a 30 plus year old R22 AC system, and I've been working on him for a long time on getting it replaced, but he seems to want to keep it going. So, shoe covers.
To the right.
Yeah. Okay. Call for service. Let's see here.
What does it say?
Call for service.
Oh.
That's interesting. So let's. All right, let me go downstairs. Let's see here. Three. That's pressure switch. Let's see here. 3 flashes, pressure switch stuck open. So what if there's something in that port? Oh, that's clean. This thing is kind of patched. 167. This is a, can't tell. Let's see what this pressure switch is. So it is a 0.4. Right. Can't tell. It's 0.7. Yeah, 0.7. So no, the pressures, or we have good draft. See if I got a pressure switch. Helicopter right over my shoulders. This guy's been my customer for a while, but he's a strange cat. He's literally right over my shoulder every time I'm here. I mean, he's literally like a foot away from me. I can hear him breathing. So it's a 0.70. Thinking a 0.60 would work. Yeah. It's a little bit less, but it's should work just fine. I don't have a 0.70. 25. Yeah, so 0.60 it is. Where did that screw go to? Oh, right there. Oh, that's for the door. Everything's going to cost more, so I'm just letting you know. I'm just planting that seed again for you.
You're giving me advice about something I can tell.
AC, your central air. Your central air, I think we've talked about this before, where it's probably 30-something years old.
Yeah.
And the furnace is getting older too. We've been kind of putting money into it. Mm-hmm. I think I gave you a quote last year.
You did.
Okay. And obviously the equipment's went up a little bit since then. And it's probably going to be a little bit more in the upcoming years due to, everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
Due to everything.
Due to everything.
Okay.
Well, as you've seen, I didn't talk too much because he was literally right over my shoulder, 1.5 to 2 feet away. I mean, he's right there looking at everything I'm doing. Yeah, I don't mind that, but man, it kind of gets annoying after a while. It is what it is. It's part of the process. You got helicopters. But so what I did was I checked. So we found out it was a bad pressure switch, and I did a couple of tests on it. As you've seen, I had plenty of vacuum, so I ended up bypassing the pressure switch and it stayed running just fine. Put a new one on. Leave your thoughts and feedback down below. Criticisms are fine, just don't be a dick. I don't mind constructive criticism. That's fine. I'm all for that because I always want to be a better tech. But you know what to do. Smash that thumbs up button. If you want to smash the thumbs down, do it twice. I'd greatly appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next one.